So in Ranchi, the student leader Devendranath Mehto has ended his 16-day hunger strike following the Jharkhand government's decision to cancel the JSSC CGL exam. Mehto thanked Chief Minister Hemant Soren, the government, students and all those who supported this agitation, calling the decision a big victory for Jharkhand. He also made it clear that his fight for exam reforms will continue, demanding greater accountability, audits and also monitoring at every stage of the recruitment process.
लेकिन आज हम सरकार ने जो दिल दिखाया, इसके लिए झारखंड सरकार को, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को, राहुल गांधी जी को तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं, क्योंकि आज जो डिसीजन लिया, यह डिसीजन आसान नहीं था, क्योंकि सीजीएल परीक्षा का नियुक्ति हो चुकी थी, ज्वाइनिंग हो चुका था। बहुत डिफिकल्ट था डिसीजन। कुछ छात्र गुहार लगा रहे थे सरकार से कि हम लोग जेन्युइन हैं। उस बीच में बहुत ही ईमानदारी पूर्वक निष्पक्ष जांच करते हुए, उन लोग का भी रास्ता निकालते हुए आज इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया। पूरा देश ही नहीं, पूरा दुनिया आज झारखंड सरकार का इस फैसला को सराहना कर रहे हैं।
My colleague Dev Kotak joins us live from Ranchi and he has been getting us all the updates of the students. He has been speaking to the students over the last several days as they've been protesting. And Dev, it's a celebratory mood in Ranchi. It looks like the protests have finally ended. Take us through how it all happened, because the students had been protesting for a long time and the government was not really giving in. How did that breakthrough finally come about?
Well, as you know, a fast unto death is not the only thing. The students had been repeatedly pressing their demands and they were adamant about the fact that they will not move from the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium, which is where they were right from day one. So after 24 days of long, constant and committed struggle, the government finally gave in and agreed to most of their demands except the CBI inquiry part. What Hemant Soren also announced yesterday in favor of the students is that TDPL, the tainted agency which conducted all these competitive exams, all the exams conducted by them are considered null and void, and the government also promised to look at probing TDPL and its role in these exams. Besides that, the JSSC, the combined graduate level exam, has also been done away with. So these are the two major things that the students are really happy about. In fact, yesterday after Hemant Soren's address, this street right behind me, which you see empty, late into the night people have walked around on this very street, which is right outside the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium, bursting crackers, applying gulal to each other's faces, flashing victory signs, dancing with joy. In fact, yesterday was the first time in a very, very long time I saw BJP and Congress come together. In fact, two of the people who our channel spoke to last night itself were present out here. Kumar Raja of the Jharkhand Congress unit is a very senior leader, and also, Vikramjit Singh, who is a BJP Rajya Sabha MP, who came with around 40 kilos of halwa for the celebrating students. So this was the first time where BJP and Congress also transcended all their differences, and for the sake of students they were seen celebrating with them, were very happy with them. So the students were emotional. In fact, if we see the visuals also, then the joy knows no bounds. In several of our segments and bulletins, we also showed as to what the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium looked last night after Hemant Soren started speaking and the announcements that he made. The students feel that constantly sitting under this rain and under this heat has finally paid rich dividends, and now there's something that they have to look forward to.
Yes, they've gone through multiple challenges, but the students were also very clear. They are going to stay put there. They're going to continue their protest until the government listens to their demands. And now the students say that this is not a victory for them. It's a victory for Jharkhand. They stay with us. So the big breakthrough for the protesting students in Jharkhand with Hemant Soren government cancelling the JSSC CGL examination and also scrapping all recruitment exams conducted through TDPL. So a CID probe has also been ordered into TDPL conducted examinations since 2014. So this is the announcement that triggered the celebrations at the protest site. Students cheering and celebrating what they called a key victory in their fight against exam irregularities.
हम लोगों ने निर्णय लिया है कि TDPL द्वारा किए गए परीक्षाएं TDPL के द्वारा प्रकाशित रिजल्ट और TDPL द्वारा जो भी अभ्यर्थी चुने गए हैं या शामिल हुए या TDPL के जितने भी गतिविधियां यहाँ हुई हैं उन सभी को कैंसिल किया जाता है, रद्द किया जाता है।
Now, in Ranchi, student leader Ravindra Paswan has broken down after the Jharkhand government announced the cancellation of the JSSC CGL exam, thanking Chief Minister Hemant Soren for what he called a historic decision. He said that students now want a CBI probe into the examinations being cancelled. He said the student groups will study the government's formal assurances before deciding on the next course of action.
माननीय मंत्री जी अभी आए थे, माननीय दीपिका पांडे जी, माननीय इरफान अंसारी जी, उन्होंने हम लोग से अपील किया कि आप लोग जो से आंदोलन या अनशन को खत्म कीजिए, लेकिन हमारी जो मांगे है सीबीआई से रिलेटेड जो मांगे है उस पर अभी तक सरकार का सहमति नहीं बन पाई है। हमारी सीबीआई से रिलेटेड जो मांगे उस पर हम लोग अभी भी अपना मांग को जारी रखे हैं।
इस बारे में कल जानकारी मिलेगी।
बिल्कुल।
अभी सीबीआई जांच के लिए अडिग हैं आप लोग।
सीबीआई के लिए हम लोग अभी भी हम लोग का मांग तटस्थ सीबीआई होना चाहिए।
So, Dev, the student leader here, talking about deciding what the next course of action will be. In the student protest as well, there were multiple factions of students who were protesting. So, has the protest been called off entirely, or are there any divides within the student groups on what the next course of action should be?
Well, no, the students are still seated here. They have not ended their protest entirely because the CBI demand that is still very much pending. So they had clarified yesterday itself that they will continue to be out here at a sit-in protest at the Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium until the final and last demand of the CBI probe has also been ordered. So currently they are here and they say that while everything is good for them, the Chief Minister has agreed, the state government has also supported them, but what they want is the CBI probe because they still do not trust the CID, which is a state agency, and they feel that it can be easily tampered with. So that is why they're going to be here at least for some more time.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with all those details. So the student leaders have said that they will decide on what next. There's another key development in the Jharkhand students' protest as well. The State Minister Irfan Ansari has said that the student leaders, Devendra Mehto, there are others as well, including Rahul Kranti, who have ended their hunger strike with the government facilitating the process. He says the agitation has formally been concluded after the government accepted their demands. The minister assuring that the probe will be impartial and that no guilty will be spared.
देवेंद्र महतो, हबीबा और राहुल ने स्वेच्छा से अनशन तोड़ने का निर्णय लिया। हम लोगों ने उनका अनशन तोड़वाया, जूस पिलाकर हम लोगों ने अनशन को तोड़वाने का काम किया। हमारे साथ दीपिका पांडे जी और हमारे भाई जयराम महतो जी के हम लोग सामूहिक प्रयास से जो आंदोलन चल रहा था विधिवत आज समाप्त हो गया। जो भी इनकी मांगे थी सरकार ने मान लिया। हम लोग आए हैं मेडिकल बुलेटिन के साथ, अभी इनका पूरा जांच हुआ और स्वेच्छा से हम लोग इनको अभी डिस्चार्ज कर रहे हैं। तीनों स्वस्थ हैं।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी इस पर एक एक पल का रिपोर्ट रखते रहे छात्रों के आंदोलन का, और राहुल जी ने भी लगातार इन छात्रों के हितों की बात की। और आज हम लोग धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं आंदोलनकारियों से का कि आप लोगों ने राज्य हित में, छात्र हित में जो आंदोलन सकारात्मक तरीके से किया, अहिंसा के साथ किया, आज उसका समापन भी बहुत सम्मानजनक तरीके से कर रहे हैं। सरकार ने आप लोगों के हित में सभी बातों को मानने का काम किया है और यह अश्योर करती है सरकार हमारी कि जो जांच है वो निष्पक्ष तरीके से होगी और एक भी दोषी इसमें बचेगा नहीं।
So, Dev, one of the demands of the students for a long time had also been a CBI probe, and it doesn't look like the government has agreed to that. So, if the government has agreed to a few demands of the students have also made certain compromises on their demands, isn't it?
Well, yes, the government has been repeatedly saying from the start that while we walk 3 miles, you walk 1, so that we can reach a middle ground or somewhere compromise in a certain sense, because the government was genuinely concerned about the health of those who were on a fast unto death, and how this entire student agitation and the Jharkhand protests have turned out to be. So, in fact, agreeing to all the demands but just one, which is that of CBI probe, is what is hanging on at this point in time. Otherwise, pretty much everything, 99% of the things, including ordering inquiries on TDPL, ordering an ED inquiry, cancellation of exams, these all things have been agreed upon. But the government still cannot seem to decide on whether the fact that whether CBI will be called in at any point in time or not. But this is actually the reason why the students will continue to sit in a bit longer. However, they are entirely very happy, and last night we saw some jubilant and celebratory scenes, but the students say that till the time the government does not give us clarity on whether the Central Investigation Agency will continue to probe this or not, because like I mentioned earlier as well, lack of trust in CID, which is a state agency, and they have been probing this for a while and nothing conclusive or concrete has come out of it, which is why the students have been pressing for CBI demand right from the start as well. With now everything pretty much sorted, with students having ended their fast, the protesting students can also breathe a sigh of relief, and the government can also pat itself on the back somewhere for achieving this kind of a breakthrough after 24 days.
Okay, all right. After a long time of breakthrough, the JSSC examinations have been cancelled, but there are some questions that the government will be facing. What about those who have been recruited already? They are not going to be too happy about this cancellation. So there could be more disgruntlement in the state as well. Dev, for the moment, thank you for getting us all those details.